Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. We are with Miss Kymmy, and we are cooking at Kymmy at Kymmy's house. This is her dog, Dorsey. Hey, Dorsey. Dorsey. It's looking for ham. I gave it ham earlier. All right, Kymmy, what are you doing? You getting some pots out?
Getting the pans out.
Right, so I'm going to...
Good enough for you.
Well, they're good, aren't they? Probably not clean.
They are clean.
No, they're all right.
What the hell, Gavin?
So we've got carrots, potatoes. I'm going to teach you how to peel potatoes tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
I raised 4 children and I know how to peel potatoes.
They haven't met your children yet, mate. We're going to have lamb chops. Oh, loin chops. Jeez, I love these. Let's have a little look around, little kid.
Because I love you.
She did buy the chops today. Audi chops.
Yeah.
We got the Christmas tree up. So let's have a look around Kymmy's place. This is so much better than mine. I'm going to be moving stuff in here.
No.
How many books am I bringing?
None.
No books. Look at her. Look how much room we've got. It's a really good echo in here too. And now down here, shall I show them around?
There's a light just behind you.
Her lights don't normally work.
Oh, be quiet.
Here's one room. This is the office. It's hot in there. So it's 4 bedrooms. Another bedroom here. That light doesn't work. No. Another bedroom here. So her daughter has moved out with the kid back to her own place. So Kymmy's cooked.
No, not that kid.
Oh.
My bed's not made.
It fucking doesn't work.
It does.
This is Kymmy's room. All right, so have you started peeling? Have you got a peeler? Oh, have you got 2?
No. Oh, I might.
I'll get this show on the road.
Yes,
Now, are you peeling the sink, right?
No, you don't.
All right, I don't know where she peels, but... And then you have your pot full of water, right? Kimmy's like, you don't have to peel them.
No.
They're washed.
No.
And I'm like, the people that bloody pick these...
You're not even running it underwater.
Well, I will. Fill that up with water first.
Hot or cold?
Cold? See?
And then you just wash the shit into the saucepan.
No. That changes that water. Then we need to cut it to make it into mash.
What the hell? You're going to add to my water bill, mate. Here you go.
Hey, at least I didn't put a swimming pool out the back and then go, hey, at least I don't have to pay for the water, hey? Yeah. Just something else I geeked her about earlier. So this is us working together. And we do this really well. Obviously a fucking team.
I need my pillow.
Why?
Because it's mine. Okay? Thank you.
What are you doing over there? You make a mess on your counter.
Yeah.
This is a shit peeler.
Yep.
Oh.
This is why it's mine. How many carrots do you reckon? 2?
3.
What?
Oh, well, I like carrot.
They're big.
Yeah, but
Look.
carrots, all right, 2 then, cheapest. We probably only need like 4 potatoes then.
Yeah, well, there's only you and me. There's no Jen.
No, there's no Jen.
And Dora doesn't eat vegetables.
No, Dora's down there. I've been feeding Dora ham. Dora loves me. I've been sending Jen text messages going, she's better than your cats. Oh.
What are you doing there, Dora? I'll give you a treat so you'll piss off. What's this one? I think
I'm a treat.
you know.
Let's have a look in her cupboard.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
It's clean.
It's everything. You didn't put them in the right place with it.
Oh, she's a bit OCD, is Kymmy. I don't know how she survived coming to my place for the last 3 years. We've been together, babe. 3.5 years, actually. And, on and off. I put her on the bus.
On the box.
Yeah, Yeah, but we're having a crack at... I haven't spent a lot of time at your house, have you, darling?
No.
Yeah, but she's had other family members here and stuff like that. And,
See, even my fridge is...
Hang on, what's your Fridge, yep. Yes, it's very clean. Mine's not clean like that.
Awesome.
It's not very clean, my fridge.
I'm awesome.
Yes, you're awesome, baby. So we mashed some potatoes. Pretty basic meal. We're gonna do a gravy or not?
I haven't got any gravy. So no.
Oh, you gave me gravies the other day.
No, but I didn't. Oh, maybe we should turn the oven on, get the potato bake in.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, and potato bake too. We probably don't
No,
need
not potato bake,
broccoli bake.
yeah.
We probably don't need that, do we? It'll be
You don't want it?
yeah, might as well cook it. There'll be leftovers anyway. I don't mind
You
that.
can take them home.
Yeah, I can. And some carrot. So how was your day at work, babe?
Good, yeah. It's only short days because there's no boys left.
Yeah, they're all private school. They're all finished early.
Yeah.
Like here in Queensland, you know, the poor kids just have to do another week, but the rich kids sort of get off a week early.
They do 2 weeks more.
Do they?
Yeah, my boys have been finished for nearly 2 weeks.
They're not your boys, honey.
They are my boys.
Yeah, she gets in trouble at work for calling them that too. Don't you?
I have 3 girls
Hey,
and 1 son.
HR.
I'm always in trouble with HR. I've been there 30 years. I figure I can do what I want.
That's not how it works, honey.
Yeah, in my world, it does.
Alright, so that's a broccoli bake. Now sometimes I might put like bacon in that or something like that, but we don't need to do that for this one. And it's got like cheese in it as well.
Can you explain to me why they put a green bag and white writing when you're blind and you can't see? Wouldn't it be better to put black writing?
Yeah, it would be like that.
Yeah, so you can read the instructions.
Yeah, but it is Audi. They're a German company. They know what the fuck they're doing. But it tastes good. And how much is it? It's about $3.
No, it's like nearly 7.
Oh. Well, it's not cheap then.
200. Preheat the oven for 2. Well, we didn't do any cooking preheat.
Well, we just preheat it. We can still wait. We're not in a hurry.
No.
We're just going to do a prepping and then show them it cooked, you know? Because I can edit now. I'm fucking a genius. What?
Thank you. And I don't have to do the dishes.
What do you mean?
Well, I just put them in the dishwasher here.
Oh, that's right. Jeez, I thought you would say, since you're at my house, you got to do the dishes now.
No, I just put them in the dishwasher.
That's good. Yes, you got a dishwasher. 2 people live here and they've got a dishwasher. Ridiculous, I know.
The kids bought it for me because there was 6 of us, maybe 7 of us, and we never had a dishwasher. I did everything by hand, and then the kids bought me one.
Yeah, when you didn't need it. When you didn't need it, yeah, on your kids.
Water in this one, darling?
Yeah, well, we're going to do them separate? Or we're going to mash them with that?
Whatever you want.
What would you prefer?
I don't care.
I don't care. It can be your decision, darling.
With this sauce. Well, Jim, we're not washing dishes, so.
Let's just do it like we did with the,
All right, this one.
you know, I like to cut them small because carrots take longer than potatoes to do. So you might even put these on a bit earlier because they take longer to get softer.
Dora, I thought I just gave you shit to piss you off. But you're still here.
Dorsey, she's a good dog. She really loves me. A bit scared of her, Mum.
I love it.
You do, don't you?
The only thing I haven't got now is somewhere to nicely put my potatoes.
Like a potato box or something.
I'll have to get.
Put them in the microwave just so it's hidden.
No. What the hell?
Alright, that's Dora. That's that. Chops are coming later. These are sort of done. We might use both pots anyway. We could, couldn't we? I don't think Missy Moo wants to, but... That's a lot of carrot.
You wanted me to do 3.
Well, carrot's good. I'm going friggin' blind, and carrot's supposed to be good for your eyes, right? It's got retinas in it or something.
Yeah.
Not retinas, but... What is it? Carotone?
Yeah, something like that.
You know, you're a doctor.
Yeah, I wish I was.
The fucking pills you take, you should be.
Would that look alright if I put it?
No, it doesn't. No, it's ridiculous.
Well, what am I going to do with it? I've got nowhere else to put it. And I like orderly.
Can't it just go in the bottom drawer down, cupboard down there?
No, that's organised. No, baby, it can't go anywhere. I just put it on top of the fridge.
Yeah, that's where you can go. See, it's out of way, out of mind, out of sight.
There we go.
Yeah, beautiful.
And
Yeah,
I
she is a very organised lady. That's a toucan I got. See that plant up there? How long? It's been up there for months, eh?
It's been up there for nearly 3 years.
Really? No, 2 years.
2 years.
You
and it's
yeah.
never been watered.
No, and it's still alive.
Yeah, and there's our gecko.
Oh yeah. In Australia, we get these geckos which aren't Australian. See, I can see through it. That's a Asian gecko or something they call it, isn't it?
Don't be racist.
No, I'm not being fucking racist. Do you like her sign? My kitchen is my paradise, but my cooking is hell. Yeah, we've had a bit of an ongoing thing about your ability to cook, haven't
I'm a
we?
good cook. Yeah. I raised 4 children and I haven't killed them.
Yeah, but they're all severely retarded.
Oh, you're mean.
Let's leave it there and then we'll do an update.
This will be our first time that we've actually sat at a dining room table and had dinner together.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Yeah, because my place is you just sit in front of the TV. Not that they don't do that here, that can switch around and stuff. But say bye-bye for now.
Bye.
All right, well, ready? 1, 2, 3, click. And we're back. All right. Kimmy's chops are going. That's the carrot. That's the spuds. All right, I'm going to put this around my neck. And these are ready to rock and roll, I reckon. That's the carrot. I think that's all going to go in there. I might mash it all in that one, I reckon.
Big one.
Well, it's going to... You reckon it'll be better in the big one?
Yeah.
All right, do you want to give that a little wipe? Just with a tea towel so it's dry, but it's still hot. Cool. So they go in there. We're going to mix in our carrots. Yeah, pretty much all that. We're going to go over here. Actually, that might damage that. We'll just take that off of there. Okay. Now, we want some butter. Western Star, of course, because I bought Western Star because Missy Moo here uses... What do you use, baby?
Margarine.
Oh, my God. You know, if you have one of them things go in margarine, right, it gives you autism. No, I'm serious. Bit of cream. We've also got broccoli bake, haven't we, babe?
Yeah.
That's looking pretty good too. Need a spoon for a taste test.
I probably didn't put enough salt in.
Oh, gee, that's just about butter.
Will I turn the top step, maybe?
How's that looking? Pick one over and have a look. Oh, maybe it's yeah, they're ready to go. Lamb chops. We're living pretty large, aren't we, babe? Huh?
Yes.
This is late for us to have dinner too.
Yeah.
We had a nap though, didn't we, today?
We did.
Well, that's done. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Actually, now I've finished with that, we can put the Have you got a tea towel?
Yes, my love.
We'll put this up here. Have you got a bigger spoon to...
Yes, in the...
Like a ladly one? Yep.
I've got the smaller one. I did have one of the others.
This is the broccoli bake, right? Jeez, it looks alright, doesn't it? This looks better than when I cook it, babe.
You did cook it. Oh, the potato bake.
Yeah.
My oven's better than yours.
It is better. Yeah, no, I think that pan's better too. Like I use a deeper pan.
Yeah.
So I don't seem to get the...
Christmas roll.
No, I don't.
Would you like a drink with dinner?
Yeah, I bought a couple of soft drinks today, babe.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Orange or red?
I have the orange, babe. All right, so all we're waiting on now is our chops. That's looking all right, babe.
Yeah, it looks good.
I don't know what the rich people are doing today, but what do you reckon? This, I really do. I know it cost a bit, this broccoli bake.
I love it, but
It's freaking good.
and stop the fucking around. Like when I used to do it, I used to have to make a white sauce and
Yeah.
cheesy
Yeah.
and that.
They do a cauliflower one too, but I prefer the broccoli one.
And a potato one as well.
Yeah. The potato one's not bad.
I've never actually had the potato one.
It's not as hard to make. See, we're all set up to sit here, and we're going to have a game of Scrabble afterwards. I'll kick her ass, of course.
Of course you will.
No. Dawsy's just hanging around hoping for some scrappies. How's them chops going, baby? No, a bit more.
That one's for review.
Oh, so I just go over here and just eat while I'm waiting. There's still potato left in that saucepan.
Yeah, I'll put it in a dish and that later.
No.
Have you finished scraping it?
Yeah. Good, isn't it?
I think it's a different sort of style now too. Tastes different.
I think it's the pan. All right, I reckon them chops are done, babe.
Alright, you want me to bring this up?
I'm happy with that. What do you want the plate over there?
You do it. That's all over the dishwasher.
I'll try not to. I'm not very coordinated though, as a human. You are. You're very coordinated.
Oh no, I'm not.
Metre 83 in high jump, weren't you?
Yes, babe.
So that is cooking with Kymmy.
Yes.
In Kimmy's kitchen. Look how much better this kitchen is than mine.
And I'm not lounging on the
Look
lounge.
yeah, you're not on the lounge, yeah. Look how much better this kitchen is. It's better, baby. Thank you. Thanks, all. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.